next fact. Mercury is still not done processing its mass yet. Well, Mercury is already a planet, but Mercury is still trying to collide with each other, with itself. That's why there's those that it has the most craters than any other planet, because it's still forming in the inside, because its core have still not yet formed. So hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's episode we're going to be talking about top 10 facts about the cosmos. So first, before we jump into our topic, the cosmos is the solar system, or like the universe. It's a short name for the whole universe. Not even though there's stuff as cosmetic stuff in space and also cosmos, there is a name for the whole universe called the cosmos. So hope you don't get confused with the names. And let's jump right in. So, number one fact. The sun is expanding. The sun has been expanding because it's using helium and hydrogen to burn up and still keep on burning. So it's becoming larger and larger. And maybe that's the reason why that you see Mercury and Venus do not have moons. And then the next fact. Mercury is still not done processing its mass yet. Well, Mercury is already a planet, but Mercury is still trying to collide with each other, with itself. That's why there's those that it has the most craters than any other planet, because it's still forming in the inside, because its core have still not yet formed. So it's still changing shape, and well, the craters keep appearing because of it's moving. The lava in its insides is moving to fit in the correct place to finally be able to orbit the sun normally. Just like you trying to get the best bed sleeping position as you're trying to sleep. So now the third fact. The Earth might have had 2 moons. It's said that scientists have found out many clues that the Earth might or will still have 2 moons. They say that if there was another moon, it must have collided with our lunar, because there's many craters at the back side of lunar, more than there is at the front side that we see. So that's why. Number 4, on the moon, any astronaut's legs, any astronaut feet or shoe prints on there shall stay there forever if there's not a crater that have hit that place. The reason why is because of, well, there's no dust or any particular material to wipe it off, because the Earth has those, but of course with something that there's no humans living on it, and like it's technically rock, well, there is no way that you would just find a bulldozer be carrying off that land that have been stepped on. So the shoes will still remain there, just like your dog's paws in your backyard. Now, number 5. Did you know that Jupiter is the largest planet, but it does have rings? Yes, Jupiter does have rings with Uranus and Neptune. Everyone knows that Saturn has rings, but few people do know that Jupiter has rings. It's because the rings are faint that no one can see those rings. To know more, you can watch our Jupiter video and our Saturn video. Uranus and Neptune video to know more about their faint rings. And now, coming at number 7, the fact that Pluto could have been a planet if it were not demonetized. Because the fact that it has everything related to a planet, and the rest of them have nothing related to planets, so it might be a short possibility that if so they did not demonetize it immediately, it could have been a planet for more than 2006. So that was the capability. And then number 8. Did you know that Mercury might be the closest planet to the Sun, but Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system? It's because of how many stuff can kill you there. Also the fact that it has a very thin atmosphere, meaning the sun rays can just chaka boom hit it to destroy it. So that's why it's so hot. And also the acid rain will be coming down. So yeah, it is not your planet that you have a picnic on tomorrow, Saturday. And then coming at number 9, that almost 1,000 objects orbit the Earth. Well, they're not like lunas like our moon. They're like asteroids or comets that have lost their ways to go and lost places to go and found something an orbiting around like the sun. It mostly takes planets and makes it its sun for several days. So many things have been orbiting the Earth so far. So the Earth doesn't only have the moon orbiting it, but many small stuff that are orbiting it the same way till then they go back into outer space. And then coming at number 10, the last fact of the day, that VY Canis Majoris is the second most largest star. All of us know about UY Scuti Sun video. So the UY Scuti is the biggest, Rigel is the fourth, and well, there are many other stars that are pretty small, and our sun is one of the most smallest. So it says that VY Canis Majoris is the largest, and also it had the highest rate with Betelgeuse, that they will explode into a supernova or turn into a black hole. So those are the facts for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to know more, and ring the notification bell to enjoy more of our videos. To please know more about this topic and the facts that I'm talking about, watch our universe video with me and Bella, and also all our other solar system and planets video, and I will see you later. Bye guys, and have a happy day.